Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Social Truth. This topic is farmer protest. So what is MSP and APMC? It is it is a minimum support price for any product that a farmer grows, and it will be levied by government only, not by farmers. So so the price is definitely gonna be very low for the farmers to sell any their of product. It may product may be rice, paddy, wheat, or anything, or APMC, Agriculture Products Product Marketing Committee. So the government is gonna set up a committee uh, where that committee will decide how much price the farmers will get to sell their product. So in a sense, I say farmers are not going to possess any right to sell their product, and if that happens, farmers is definitely gonna be the most poorest person in the world, because what really is going on is that the richest people of the world want to control the food product, the fooding material, so that they could kill the masses just by making them hungry, or in a sense they could bring famine, so artificial famine, so they could kill the masses of people in a month or in 10 days or whatever they like. So this is the basic fact. And who are the richest? Well, in India they are the Ambani, Adani and Birla, and it is the farmers have been exploiting since human learn to farm or to produce any agriculture product, and because of lacking literacy, the farmer couldn't do anything except getting exploited. And this is the illiteracy is the basic reason of the exploitation, confirmed. But today farmers are not so illiterate, so they are protesting against this stupid bill which is brought by the government. It is this will, until or unless all the farmers of India doesn't accumulate at Delhi right now, so nothing's gonna happen. The police will eventually strike you down. I won't let protest happen because the masses is very low. It yeah, it can also definitely government is not on the side of farmers, or they want any good of farmers. APMC will claims that the farmers will directly could will sell their product to the government, but but the but the truth is that uh, the rice that you buy is now at rupees 2500, but after the regulation of APMC, or minimum support price of farmers product, it will be like rupees 10,000 per sack of rice or wheat or anything you buy. So what will basically happen after this bill is that the most basic product of agriculture or eating food will the price will hike from 0 to 100. This will happen after the regulation of the bill, and it will happen because the protest is not going under the leadership of any spiritual foundation or something. For example, the revolt of 1857, it happened but was not completely organized and was not under any leadership. So that's why the revolt of 1857 fails, and this protest will also fails. Plus, due to corona, the government will successfully ban all the borders. They again can ban all the borders just by putting this reason to the farmers, and all the farmers of India will never accumulate at Delhi. And government will do the same, and they're doing it right now. And yes, the farmers protest will fail eventually. So this all people of India or world have to understand that until and unless we accumulate or we come together as one, the government will go on regulating or making such bill where people's right will get snatched by the government, and they will not get any job, any product, anything, and they will get nothing.